So hi, this is MD Nasim Akram, and this is the dashboard that I have recently made based on the problem statement. So if I talk about the problem statement, so basically it was the marketing problem statement where we had to analyze the campaigns that we made on the social media. So basically we are analyzing the campaign on the Facebook and Instagrams where we have to find uh, what is the conversion rate and what is the engagement and what is the purchase through that ad. So like whenever we are posting any ad on any of the platforms, so we have to analyze that from where we are getting the maximum sales from which platforms, and what is the conversion rate and other KPI we have to monitor through these dashboards. So first, since we have made a slicer here that you see in the right hand side on the top, so when we click on the slicer, let's say that we are clicking on the Facebook, so we will come to know, like we will get insights of the Facebook. So if I talk about the purchases, then we actually had 1.3k purchases through that campaign on the Facebook. And these are the important KPIs that we are monitoring for the campaigns, and it actually decides whether the campaign is good or not. So the share and clicks and engagement rate, and the conversion rate is around 5.21%. So let's see the same for the Instagram. So when you're clicking on the Instagrams, we are getting insights for the Instagram right now. So we can see here in the Instagram that the major customer of the major customer is between the age of 20 and 30. You can see here the majority of the data lies between 20 and 30. So here we can conclude that most of the people who are watching our ad, they are actually in between the age of 20 and 30. So okay, and this is the hourly trend that we are getting here on the Instagram. So if I talk about the hour, so see, this hour is the top. Okay, so this hour, it's actually the hourly trend. Okay, so now it's all right. Okay. hmm and this is the another slicer where we can see everything as per the clicks. Let's say that you want to see everything for the clicks only, so everything will be displayed for the click only right now. And then share, and this is for the purchases, like those who have purchased, this is their data. So the people who have purchased, like the most of the people who have purchased through the advertisement are between the age of 20 and 30. We can get these insights from here very easily. Okay, so now, okay, all right. And here we can also find the reason, the reason where most of our customers actually lies. So let's say that we are clicking on the purchase, and here when we see on this map, so you would see that in the North America there is actually the biggest bubbles, which simply says that most of the purchases are basically from the North America. Okay, so this is the calendar. When we click on the calendar, we'll be getting as per the age wise, and uh, uh, this tool this toolkit shows that. So let's say you're clicking here, so the toolkit will show everything for the date 18 and June. Let's see for the other month. Okay, when you click on the July, so now we have the data for the July, and we have a view here for the July. You will see one thing here, you will note one thing here. When you're clicking on May, let's say you're clicking on the May, so only this map is changing but not the rest of the visualization. It is not impacted. Why? Because simply we have turned off the interactions with this calendar to the rest of the